Right, hey, what's up guys, it's Roy here, and with today's video I'm going to be doing a case review of the Ringke Fusion case for my Samsung Galaxy S21. Now I have the Phantom Gray phone, I love the color, that's why I went with a clear case here. Now this is the clear version, it does come in 4 other colors. I will link my affiliate links down in the description if you want to pick this up for your S21 or the Plus or the Ultra. Just by clicking those links, it'll take you to the Amazon page where it's $10.99 for most of them with 1-day Prime shipping. Some of them are $12.99, but like I said, most of them are $10.99 at least for right now. And they do have 1-day Prime shipping, like I said. This case was sent to me free of charge for my unbiased opinion and review from Ringke. So big thank you for helping me be able to do this review video. Now, as far as the eco packaging that it comes in, you do have the Ringke branding here at the top. Live a better day in the kind of ghost embossed writing there, and it does say eco packaging, and it is the Fusion S21 clear case and just some stuff on the back. So the way to get it out is you literally just rip it open here and pull it out. And so as far as what comes on the inside of it, you do have the just kind of random stuff. So it does say that there's an outside film. I already took it off because I've had this case for about a week, so I've been using it to give you all a good opinion of the case. And then of course they always send you this 20% off accessory stuff, so there you go. Now let's go ahead and take a peek here at the actual case. So it's a polycarbonate back with TPU bumpers. It's a complete crystal clear case, so obviously it's a very slim case. But at the end of the day, it's going to be a case for people that are big fans of clear cases. And so I am, but I do want to show off my Phantom Gray, but I also don't want to get it all scratched up. So I want to put a clear case on there sometimes. So the install process is very simple. And there we have it. Now let me go ahead and wipe it down since it is a clear case. I want to make sure you're getting the full effect here of it. There we go, a little bit better. So completely clear, completely shows off the Phantom Gray color here. As you can see my Samsung branding on the phone itself. So completely crystal clear. As far as the actual camera bump goes, you do have some raised lips here. So you are protecting your lenses from getting scratches when you do put it back down on any table or something. And it does have the half circle cutout extension there to expose the flash. Now, as far as putting it back down, it's actually completely flat, so no shake at all. So definitely like that. On the side here, you do have your volume up and down button and your power button. One thing I noticed with this particular one, and I don't know if it's just this case or if all of the Fusion clear cases have it, but for the volume up button, there is just this random raised little portion here that I don't know if you're going to be able to see right there. So you can feel it when you're rubbing your finger on it. I don't know if it's intentional to be able to let you know like, hey, that's the power button, but just something I point out because I've noticed it the whole time I've been playing around with the case. Now, as far as the power button goes, it is a texturized power button, so it does feel pretty good when you're rubbing your finger against it. And then here on the side, you do have some Ringke branding here, so it does say just Ringke there. You do have the cutouts for the quick catch for your lanyards. You do have at the bottom a nice, clean, precise cutout for the USB Type-C port and mics, and your precise cutout for the speaker grill. And then moving along to the other side, you can see that it is once again crystal clear. Does have the lanyard cutouts as well, hence once again the quick catch, the dual quick catch there. And then going down to the top, you do have 2 individual cutouts for the mics. Now, one thing to point out, and I don't know if the video is going to do it justice, maybe you can see it, but all around the sides is that kind of that dot pattern on the sides here. And that's going to be able to help with watermarks and things like that, so it's not clinging against the actual frame of the phone and make it look ugly. So with those little patterns, those little dots there, it's going to help not make that happen. And then of course on the back, it is completely flat. The edges are a little raised on the corners here, and that's going to be able to help whenever you're going to be putting it back down. So once again, that's why it's completely flat. And then on the front, with this having a flat screen, you do see that you have some raised lips around the whole entire front of the phone, more on the forehead and chin, but it's going to be able to help your screen when you do put it face down. And once again, with those raised top and bottom, it is making it completely flat with no shake. So let's go ahead and do the button test here. So let's start with the power button first. Volume up and down. So very responsive, very clicky. So as usual, as I always say, it passes my clicky button test with flying colors. Now the next thing that we're going to do, which I'm 100% sure it's going to recognize it, is the Qi wireless charging compatibility. So instantly recognizes that it is on a Qi wireless charger. So no issues there at all. I assumed it would just because it is such a thin, clear case. But yeah, guys, for the money, with it only being $10.99, if you are someone that likes a completely clear case, this is definitely one to get. It feels good. If, you know, I know it's going to protect my phone if I drop it, you know, so I mean, obviously don't go chunking it off your roof, but you know, the minor drops, you know, out of your pocket and things like that, it's going to definitely take care of it, because I've actually dropped it once in my kitchen, and I was like, oh God, and it hit at the corner and it didn't do anything. So I was so happy. So it definitely will stand up to tile. Yeah, so $10.99, guys. Hit that like button, comment down below, let me know if you want to scoop this up. If you do, follow those links like I said. And always do please consider to subscribe to my channel. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome. I do videos at least once a week, revolving around my S21 or my iPhone 12, doing case reviews, tech reviews, things like that. So if you like the content, hit that like button, ring that notification bell, and obviously subscribe. But until next time, guys, be safe, and we'll see you on the next video.